Enti kwachi na me ye kola me kase for instance ye kwa Akwatia na me had my second and third na nkomo asha se PP free oba ya chiri 2 ya chiri nipa bi ya chiri say ya say adwene be ne de ko sa ade
ya jika aka mindset no ho asem I don't see how I ekoto aba ekokire adwen na mbrante bi fatuo ni ade I'm say police should deal with them drastically yenyi sa culture no free emu completely na yenhwe ideas aba wo yekoto ne de me se me kire madwen de a I feel say NDC ewo a chance no so the be winning because say you few years kakra ye buy ya goodwill no ho Ghana for a goodwill and a be some buyer honest last 30 we share CD dollar stabilize yes we share ye levy o me say ye levy say there entina me send e yi kura momu na me send na me bufu
na on pe kura
da bi na me send kura say me send me ya enti every time we work ko vendor no ho enti anu say no affect general population we share car duty because of the dollar no ni CD na abafa ma car duty abafam we are a can be a
car for the boka pa
yes na say car na kofam
car for na ka say boka pa ba ya yekoto no afa ba itu
nti say we ko abafam can be abafam
carbon ye de
yes duty
we ntwa mini opinion no carbon ye de o ma talk cars no dada
I don't make a na expensive
say we $60
duty kofam pa
there be $60 na because of the CD no near in abafam $60 you get the same even more even though price na abafam what's the sound you get more dollars enti no ama na system mu so ay car o hwia mu horo na minimum tension abem inflation and so akofem and ofia borrowing so akofem and you might be reduced borrowing and arrogance of power also otra ko nwanso cha na I say a hantan kakra ba omu eno ha MPP4 say so far when you buy no unya hu sa arrogance no
mienu bi umba ko
well eno
en kan sesa mienu se bi ba ko mienu bi
and corruption
na be kiro
so far so scandal my
the be how so aban free so a who does a scandal order
Debbie those days I know by cash for seat no ne
cash no report to just any kure na no kure
oh I need to say here
kwachi nie
I don't know how much when government when war for the first 6 months the goodwill is there and I believe
especially the CD to the dollar
yeah idea practically be oh the amount boss you may bro but when they practically car duty akofem ye levy ye twem CD $1 no enti prices so cost no once stabilize prices are econo na ma for expect COVID lady no but they need time to take that one out
they need
time and say IMF ni ade ni na
they need time
yes I think say beba now say anyama na easy for them no they say betting winnings no say so much emission na COVID no na tied to IMF I want you to twem just like that and it's no aka ho no but o fair there twem betting winnings ni emissions no but the effective amount for per betting say brand here no effective onti practical obehu ye level practical obehu and rate of rise of prices no and so stabilize say amount for expect say the prices no eba fam oh ma na ma for but at least no stabilize eno no huntim giri say amount for be hwe ho na omo de ato abana ma MPP sorry omo de ato aba NDC yes me ya be ye di
David man carry ye kra
NDC unfortunately no
for the Akwatia
because of what I've said no me who how our MPP candidate obetumi be convince amanfo say omonto abanam I don't know how he's going to do that na me wo bia me submit say nipa wu a dam nyam ma yo wu yi on say the tane ne ba kumi e ba asempa
me me ndafia da we e kodi
a Friday
that gentleman yes my many ba asempa mre bebre wu a to say very nice man our kebusa no ya say within 1 month ye ko pre na konwa so e ba na ye ya na on America for any other countries where they be a nipa wu a and nipa free mu a we don't contest again party na o win ye no Oma go for their primaries and get somebody to replace. Into the future, no, it means it's a constitution, yes, and a beboa. Ufia, say, Tamale, say, MPP, so monko. It's a very wise decision. Because 6 months, ni banaba. A day in a why, a day born a partner, and now candidate Naya. Out there, sign called Twaba. Yes, I call you for. I don't see it. Oh, I will say a comedian, or say MPP, they don't have the goodwill of the people. Now, say, I don't want goodwill, Lydia, and car. The American no nka ebeye effective amai nti members be try ade o hwe Sami Jemfi gold board ya idol he's doing very well done very well very intelligent he said one day will be president of Ghana yes I pray for him and he is such an intelligent and smart person eloquent be affable one day obeye yi and am another favorite Zuni Kofi Adams on sports no at least
Wakama
system kakra. Yes, Kofi Adams is doing very well there. Yes, well, I feel for about 3-4 days.
So the list, Mrs. Deborah Ferguson Tekpe, if a knee grant, that's an affair, so it's an invitation to join Yera set Tekpe Hukani or pass away in the United States of America on the 28th of July 2025. So this Thursday. Oh, funeral and Thanksgiving service, Thursday, 28th August 2025, 9 a.m., forecourt of the State House. Oh.
Wisdom well, yeah.
Oh, Mr. Setekwe, with the Yako Kasiepa, very unfortunate. Hey, this month of August, you never see him.
Yes, and you're my and to be last, fuel prices.
Yeah.
Fuel price one would drive on the OTU say
it's good.
It's good. Oh, now my for complaining say
the economy is not as yet to train.
Yes, it's good. Say, I say ordinary person there. Or no, the fuel not confirm. Now my for complain
the economists will tell you the reality of the situation.
I'm sorry, the tax at fuel so. But the ordinary man they say generality. Now we talk fuel a gallon, and they say we talk. And see the tax at so there no enye na sem o dem no ke de omo ye say formula no omo de ko share man ko bi kura ehu say ye the tax bi abeto so but in generality no fuel price na confirm
okay
and I think with all these things no e be ma NDC anya edge over NDC in this election see
all right Dr. Bana
yeah meka Akwatia nsem no bi na omanyi no say Ghana ha no ya ye ne say your livelihood se ya brabo ne de no ni nyina e hye politics na so man he say nyese your livelihood ye politics it depends on politics ka ye de menka abrante ana se ababawa wo hu gina ho so wo wa hoden se bi obi kura o ma me no papa ni wa bro o mutumi de wo ko school enso kakra eye den na nke ye kwa akoto aba eye by elections wose wo de atuo ene asekan ena akosie wo dem sebi impreduasa by election de sena na anu ye koto ye ya ye kan wo odoko ablekum hanom ya yewie yi de odi nkonim de ono okọ na emoma sa enioma ekosu nyamransem ene enioma ekosu ya police force yenya reshemu mu amahimi memeti de mentesi achi obi e bia wodi wonim si achi obi
no si achi ni pangotwe
but me hu omu mfonyi because nka normally nka Ghana Police Service ayo omu Facebook page they ameta monitor pa say yechi obi saa na esa na omu che MPP for TikTokers ye de omu nyina mfonyi begu wo saa da na omu do say
where am I
so ye de omu nyina mfonyi begu ho extra say TikTokers so ya chi wo mo say o makoye TikTok
I see
na obi a nka wakodi nyamra nsem a kisase na ya chi no na till date over 1 month ago menyanhu wa Ghana Police Service eye wo official Facebook page say even wo dimpo kekempo ene da ho menyanhu say oh eye akosua ana se kwadwo ene yensa kana wabedi police for bukum ye hu ye se sa no koba sa de a emma Ghana fo dodo na so enya reshim ewo police fo no adwumadi omodi no fi say obi akọ ablikuma yakobo no wo say ya chi obi ba de enim nipa ya chi no say bi kura nipa ya chi no kura bi the wrong person po na ya chi na yenim na say wo chi na bi ye say ba be call another election then we say the same police service no wo be ka kire yen say yenya didie wo mumu te say na IGP ye wura yohunu e de abetudwa say Akwatia ba election de e be ye soronko a me gidi so mahene wa akra wo ba wo no ne tifie no onya gidie sa gidie no wo mu fi sa akra say wo hye ne boso wo ye kwa ha mefa wa hye akire yekodu ha obenante yekodu obenante kakra yekodu mesafo asachi na se wa ni sa bohye ne so a na se mo ka kire na wonye da sa na etie na semense empanyifo endi se ye pese sa ne oma ye ekosu yetu ase a me de meka ne se bambofo titru no wo mo a major role to play. Se Ghana Police Service no entumi ama Ghana fo ene amanyofo enye gidie wo mu dia ebeye den se ne saa ne yome ya wo ka ho asem se etuo ni se kan asem betumi etuo fro because oye nipa nto obefa ne ho adwen se na se makọ ha ya bro me police for no mu gina video bia me hu na police ni gina pa na yeteti obi aya ase police ni anye hwe wanya attempt mpo se o intervene enti eye den na se ye kọ another by election a me de me hurre ene me bambo ekose sa police ni nsa ene me ankasa mefa me bambo ahye me nsam bambo a mefa ahye me nsam ne se ene ebi a mekwa akotutuo ebi a mekwa akopese kan ana se mekwa akope ejan na me de ahye me kotukum na se ochine bi no obi yeso obese tu ahye me so se na esi wa abrekuma na me so me de abo me ho ban enti se Ghana fo ene eye omanpanyi ene aban woteso no se ye pese enya fa hodie ne ye bekọ by election na se any other election ni ye hu basabasa ye ewo mu dia e wo se yi partisanship efri eye police fo adwumadi omudi mu na ye ma wo mmra kwan ne se ne mmra na akire o mo so omunye no no o mo to bi play o mo role se wo kodi nyamra nsema emfa ho se wo hye eye NDC atade ana se wo hye NPP atade se emmra no so mu a emmra ne ni unu ne kete se ne emmra ne se na ekoba se obi hye atade tuntum na se emmra no okofoma ne emrane de nsa de ne ho na so obi hye bi afita no kofo ne emrano ebeso no mu abu no kom de se ne na no TikTok fo die na make dia ekoba sa dia na Ghana fo no enja rehim ewo police ne security forces no a enunti ebe me yakoso ye hu eye asekan enu tue se ne ye hu no wo Akwatia
Reverend
Kobra
Akwatia here we come
oman chichire ne oman ne nkoso egina oman maso ne mum emrade esha abansa aban na enforce emra dedi kan ma mema menu akumi ono a mema na yakọ kumi dem ni fadue abusuafo emobi a yakọ na men kan che Akwatia for se mote mo ho ase na mo nkontokwa mo dom ho dada NDC na MPP na motena dame ase mo ko mox bom mo ko asore bom ma mo makwan mo obi mfiri baabi emeja basabasa ye ntomo kurum na onko because it doesn't make sense. About what you are doing, and you nti Ghana ha, in first time ni by election be who about was ayamba. I get to say by election be a kwa ye di money in bed e be free ho dia ba free. Doesn't make sense. Say by election ye be ya this ye kwa ya say catch them say ye could di money na asan ba free. I mean what is this? Na sabi duamunu say ebu. Na onim da. Say oba be DMP boso me nso pepepe obefiri makọ na se be na ntwe ni dua nka ne to a confirm say na beka ndi wa wo ba de obechide bo ana because of that to me na obenya nti na gise nipa moja ahwegu ansa na oba benya to me a se be say ya ntimi de me ka ne se nipa dodo a wo Akwatia constituency om do so chain nipa bia be bakro nu om ye om adwen se omedi omukro ni abomkro ho ban basabasa bia ensi nyame adoma ifiada ina ebekọ enkama tiefo ne ahwefo so nti se yenu akumi ne 40 days na ye fiada ebai na ye no Akwatia ye ba ko jabusu me de o yeminu aprakope I'm not going there because of amanyosem whoever wins I mean nyame nenim but me hwe tumi a ye kopa ye nim ba bia tumi ne ye ba ko duru na ye pese ye kum nipa ans ye kwa koji say tumi no aya na nipa ye me mobọ keke because say ye nua no ngwotwi say no mu nim so mba aban mu a no mefiri wiase akwa komu ni tumi no komu ngi tumi no
men okura no mabe akura
ye nim ye china asem me yam hihye me ma daache kwamra yes afi bosome be nwotwe ne yawura mi nipa ewu no me hahamani e bebro be 1000 nipa ewu afi nko accident nko because in March now you was 725 and up to now no every day nipa ewu ti moma ye mmere ye ho asensuo nyankopon na ye ntia se de me nua ba no kan ye nya amanyosem nko na me nipa di ye but everade and me nipa den
kana hade
e yo defo na yen nya odo because odo unua that dey said you person dey be on wedding wo dey be obi but the money a love for power and sikano aye bibi e chain bibi e wo wiase until we don't care and found said me person me bia me yo wi kwa na menya de menya and fam ho but I've said this you can deceive people to win power but you cannot deceive God to rule.
That's true.
Obetimi de patapa na akasesem ni tuturasem na je tumi ama ya to abama ne bo nyame otesoro de untim fasa tumi no ene akakabensem enko no so
okay
se esuro nyankopon a ye be de tene wasase so ama ho animunyam aba ma nyame ama ho faso so de aba ma nipa kwabra me das.
All right, but there was some quick reminders. 8 big wins for Ghana from President Mohammed's Japan visit. Dr. Bana Chotu, Bedi Unkomochi.
Martin.
Kumasi Inner City Ring Road Project. Residents of the Ashanti region are set to benefit from the commencement of the Inner City Ring Road Project aimed at easing traffic congestion and enhancing urban infrastructure. President Mohammed Nisrael Japan for the Toyota expansion, Ghana to become West Africa's hub. A new agreement with Toyota will expand the company's operations in Ghana, positioning the country as Toyota's hub for automobile production and distribution in West Africa. The Tosumians are 300,000 youth to be trained in AI skills. So under the new partnership, 300 Ghanaian youth will be trained in artificial intelligence, green technology, biotechnology, modern agriculture, and startup development. This initiative seeks to tackle youth unemployment and prepare the workforce for the future economy. And then boosting rice production with science, President Mahama secured $100 million in funding for agricultural modernization projects, including large-scale local rice production as part of efforts to enhance food security and reduce imports. And also $1.5 billion industrialization partnership. And finally, Volta River Bridge project revived. The long-stalled Volivo to Dofo Adidome Bridge is back on track after Ghana and Japan pledged funding to restart the project. Once completed, it will reconnect communities and improve transportation across the region. On this beautiful note, which we pray that it will come into fruition. No?
Sure.
I say thank you for being a part of the show, and thank you to my wonderful guest, Akwatia, former member of Parliament, and then Dr. Bano, still in the service, a lecturer, and then Reverend Charles, who's Bye-bye. Yes. I'm Memphis Central. I'm Memphis Central.
Yes.
I'm Memphis Central. I'm Memphis Central. Okay, bye-bye.